with Nadula here again. I got my cute little iridescent tote bag once more. It's branded. There's the drawstring bag on the inside, which is also branded. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so this is the box. I got a goodie bag. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, no, oh my gosh, these are cute. These are actually cute. Like, what? So that's how that looks. It's so cute, guys. Like, it's a cute ombre style and the shaping immaculate. There's a pair of HD wig caps on the inside. Also got this patterned elastic headband, and of course it wouldn't be a Nadula package without one of these gorgeous robes. Really lovely goodies. I got another pair of HD wig caps and a branded Nadula elastic headband. This is the wig we're working with today, guys. I'm super excited to bring this to you. It's a gorgeous 13x4 lace front body wave wig, and it's a beautiful natural 1B color. Now, what makes this wig so special today, guys? This is a glueless 13x4 lace front wig. It's the first of its kind that Nadula is bringing to us, you know, and I'm super happy I could show this to you. It's already pre-plucked and customized, as you can see, but this is going to be perfect for my beginners because it's a full-on lace front, but it is glueless. You know, we're used to lace closure wigs being the glueless wigs, but this is from ear to ear. So what they did with this is they actually call it a bye-bye glue wig. So what they did with this, they added adhesive tabs on the side here, because you know sometimes even though the wig is glueless, if it's a lace front, you still need to tack the sides down a little bit. So this is what they did. They added these tapes, which are pretty much transparent. Once you peel off these blue portions, you won't see anything, right? So once you're ready to apply it, you could just, and it's sticky, you could just peel off the blue part, which we'll get to, and that is what will keep the sides down to your skin. And it's also waterproof, so I love that. I think the construction they thought through, and I can't wait to go ahead and apply this to show you guys how easy it's gonna be. It's already pre-bleached with the lace, so that's beautiful. And you know, it's a glueless wig, so having one of these elastic bands that are adjustable on the inside of the cap always makes life so easy, so I love that. And around the perimeter of the cap is a non-slip adhesive, well, a non-slip silicone strip. And in the very back of the cap, there is a comb added, so this can keep the back of your wig very secure on your head. That's the only comb on the inside of the cap though. So yeah, that's how it looks for the most part. It's a medium size cap, and I think this is gonna be game changer because I feel like they thought through what they're doing, and it adds more variety, you know, for all the people who would love to have a nice lace vibe going from ear to ear. This is for you. You don't want to just have a lace closure. You want to be able to, you know, experience your lace front but in a glueless way, and it still looks natural. So that's how that looks. Now that I got through that, let's go ahead and jump into this quick and easy, very straightforward installation. I'm gonna go ahead, just take the elastic band, slip this on, super easy. So that's how it looks once I slip it on right away without any adhesive or anything. The tapes aren't down as yet, so what I'm gonna do before I even, well, the adhesive tabs aren't done as yet, which they're transparent. Once I peel off like the back that's keeping it from sticking, it's gonna be transparent, so you'll see. But before I get to that, you can see a little bit of cast at the very edge here, and that portion that you're seeing at the edge doesn't have any hair at all on it. I don't know if you can tell, so I always try to cut it off and like get as close to where the hair actually starts. So I'm gonna get my scissors. Ensure you don't cut off any of the hair. Be very careful. That actually makes a big difference on the appearance of how casty the lace was. So that looks like even better so far. Ultimately, I'm going to use a little bit of my face powder to have it blending even better. So let's do the next side. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the adhesive tabs. Once you peel off this part, the actual adhesive tab has no color, so you just want to press this down. Just right at the side here, and you're good. Glueless and all. Just the sticky ear tabs on the side. See? I'm gonna go ahead and work on the castiness. So I'm gonna get some of my powder to literally just take my time and press that in to kind of get rid of the castiness. And you guys know my little thing that I always love to do. I'll take my elastic band. And still like tie down the front just to press the product in to the hairline. But before I do that, I'm gonna just get the top a little bit more laid. I'm gonna refresh the curls a little bit also. So yeah, everything look nice and presentable, but so far so good. It's really convenient. Really convenient. Like, look at that. Let me just go ahead and tie down the edges. Just gonna unravel the front pieces, like super easy, super quick. Look at that movement, like super bouncy, you know. Just take my time, kind of finger comb through it. Yeah man, this is flawless. This is honestly so flawless. You see that? Yeah. You see how it just pressed everything in perfectly. Yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. Like, what more could you ask for? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. 24 inches of goodness. Remember guys, I'm gonna be sure to put the specific density of this in my description box, but I'm not gonna lie, the quality of this feels amazing. Minimal shedding, by the way. I feel like Nadula did their thing. They really did. I highly recommend this. Highly recommend. Yeah, it's game changer. It's next level. It's gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Top features of this wig is a 13x4 glueless wig. It's the first of its kind that I've ever worked with because it has adhesive tabs on the ear portion, which makes it really lays on the side of your head, so you don't have to worry about it lifting. So ultimately you could just refer to this as the bye-bye glue wig. Yeah, bye-bye glue indeed. None of that is needed. Like, gone are the days where you need to stress, you know, oh, which adhesive am I gonna use? Like, you could put it on and take it off when you're ready to go to bed. You don't have to worry about you going on vacation on your lace lifting anymore, because, oh, you know, the glue isn't staying down. Now these wigs don't need glues to stay put on your head and look realistic. We don't need that anymore. So there you have it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, because you guys know I'm always bringing something new over here to you. I'm giving you variety, and I love that for both of us because I enjoy doing this as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be sure, as I said, to put the specifications down below, the direct link to this wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Shout out to Nadula for this bomb wig look today. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.